When you hear the word computer, we usually think of a desktop computer or a laptop. But have you ever wondered, is a mobile phone also a computer? What about a tablet, or a server, or even a cloud virtual machine? The answer is yes. All of these are called computing devices. What is a computing device? A computing device is any device that can receive input, process data, store data, produce output. Whether it's a laptop, a mobile phone, a server, or a cloud virtual machine, they all perform this basic task. That's why they are all called as computing devices. In our everyday life, we use many computing devices such as laptop, mobile phone, desktop computer, server, tablet, cloud virtual machine. The secret behind every computing device. No matter which computing device you use, they all need the same five fundamental components to work. These five fundamental components are CPU, RAM, disk, NIC, operating system. If even one of these essential components is missing, the device cannot function properly. Let's understand hardware versus software. Hardware refers to the physical parts that you can actually touch, whereas software refers to the program that tells the hardware what to do. The most important software is the operating system, or simply the OS. Without an operating system, the hardware cannot work together effectively. The OS acts as a manager of the entire device, although every computing device needs an operating system. But the basic idea is computing device work because of those five core components work together.